Hey guys, I'm just going to go over with you how to get to this activity and some other stuff here. So this is me, and I don't know if you have to be prompted here to sign in with Google, but if so, please use your school email. All right, so join here. Hey, look, that's me. Please use your real name so that I can identify that it is you. If I can't figure out very easily if it is you, I'm not going to put more effort into figuring out who you are. So there's that, and let's go. All right, so here we are going to create a line of best fit, and to do this, all we're doing is dragging um, the points onto this. Not very challenging, so just put it where you think that it is going through most of the points, or really close to as many as possible. So, and then we're going to move on. And now we're talking about the basketball thing, and it's like, if this is going to be the path of the basketball, it's not doing too good because it's saying that the basketball is going to keep going. And so answer the question here, share with the class, and then we'll move on. And I don't know what it does because I'm the first person in the class, obviously, but I think it says 2 or 3 other responses will come up here. So there's that. Okay, talking here about some predictions. So using our eyes alone to make some predictions about the basketball. Now, I'm not very good at seeing stuff, and so what this is, it shows the guy starting to shoot the basketball, but there's no completion here. Did he actually make it in? Based on what we're seeing here, will he make it in? And so just make a guess. And just use what you know about basketball and what you have seen in PE about people making it and missing it. So use your best guess there. There's no right or wrong. Well, I mean, there is obviously a right and a wrong, but the right and wrong doesn't count against you because we are going to see how this data works later on. And so you do that for 7 shots. All right. And then we are going to use a parabolic model. And so this is what I really wanted to show you. Take these points and kind of line them up. Now you see this is the vertex point here. And so kind of set that up to where you can have your parabola going through all or most of the basketballs. And then tell me, should this make it or miss it, just looking at our 2D representation of the basketball's trajectory? I mean, who knows? Maybe he put some spin on it and it's going to bounce out all over the place, or maybe it's going to go over this fence here. I don't know. But based on this model, should it go in or should it go out? And so I'm going to say it should go in. Based on the math, it should go in. All right. And then you do that for the next 7 shots. Okay. And then you're going to determine if you think that your predictions, being a basketball junkie, or your parabolas, being a math nerd, are going to be more accurate. And then are the videos for nope, not going to show you. Sorry. Then there's the videos for whether or not they actually make it. And it says here that my analysis said that the ball goes in. If I had made a guess on whether or not I thought just by looking at it would go in, then it would say that your guess said that the ball goes in or out or whatever. And then you verify. And then you do that for the next 7 shots. Okay, and then here is the accuracy of our predictions. So the average number of shots that are correct in your class. I didn't make any guesses, and so they were all wrong. The one guess that I made was correct, I guess. And so based on the prediction, I'm not very good at guessing. Based on the math, I'm better at guessing. And so what conclusion can you draw from this graph? This is going to have everybody's stuff in it. And so if you're the first person to get this done, congratulations, it's just based on you. If you're the last person to get this done, then you might have um, a completely different outlook than the first person, because maybe the first person got every single one of them correct, and then the other 25 people in class got some right, some wrong, and it really kind of threw off the statistics there. So here we're going to determine what conclusions we can draw from this graph. Which is more accurate of a prediction? Okay. And then there are 3 extensions, and yeah, those are very good to look at and to do. So looking at the information here, how tall is the shooter? That's not hard to determine. What are the coordinates of the basketball hoop, and what does that mean in real life? So what does that say about the hoop means? What does that mean about his proximity to the shooter, or whatever? How tall is it, maybe? Okay. This equation, what is this point? What's the significance of that? And if you didn't watch the other video, I highly suggest that you do that. All right, so that is our activity for today. Sorry to keep talking. If you didn't need that, then my bad. Please use the double speed option so that you don't waste your time with this. Okay, all right, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.